Hello and welcome to a new HELiOS short clip for version 2021, Service Pack 1. This video shows how HELiOS supports the Solidworks function Insert Part. Inserting a part in Solidworks is best described as creating a dependent part. I've already loaded an example on my computer. Here you can see a semi-finished product, a normal sheet metal. There you can see an intermediate semi-finished product with a hole. Here you can see that this semi-finished product with the hole references the original part. So there is a dependency here. The last thing I did was to create a prefabricated sheet metal part, which in turn references the intermediate semi-finished product. That is, we have a two-step dependency here. The finished part depends on the intermediate semi-finished product, and the intermediate semi-finished product in turn depends on the basic semi-finished product. When I select the new in HELiOS function, you can see these corresponding dependencies. It would look similar in the derivation dialog. The icon is used for clarification purposes here. If I activate everything, then I can enter everything in HELiOS. This is the new progress indicator in the new HELiOS for all Multicat interfaces. Here you can see throughout what the new functionality is currently doing. Soon we'll have entered everything, so now our three parts have been entered. If I now make a change to the basic semi-finished product, for example, create another cutout, then I can save everything to HELiOS. You can see that the whole action affects the finished part via the dependencies. In this way, I could depict the various production stages via the product structure. We have now integrated the element explorer in Multicat, so I will use it for this purpose and insert the new item of the intermediate semi-finished product and also the item of the semi-finished product under the finished part. In this way, I have created a product structure spanning several production steps. Also, I will have the intermediate articles to be managed in the bill of materials each time the finished part is installed. This is of course only one application example. I hope you enjoyed the short clip. Thanks for watching. See you soon.